I had to give y'all real-time update on what's going on with me in the Black Girl Vitamins. Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to give y'all a real-time quick update on how I'm feeling after taking the Black Girl Vitamins Collagen Peptides. I didn't want to wait till next week or next month. I wanted to check in right now. So I started taking these bad boys right here, or bad girls rather. The Black Girl Vitamins Collagen Peptides. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I started on Monday, February 9th. It's now Thursday, February 12th. And let me tell you, I have accomplished so much in these few days. Okay, so let's get into this right here, the collagen. So Monday was my first time taking it. And what I did was I put 1 scoop, because it only requires 1 scoop per day, in my tea, my morning tea. Every morning I fix either I have a cup of green tea or lemon ginger tea. And I just added a scoop of the collagen, the magic. Okay, first and foremost, y'all, I was tired. Monday from the weekend, I was tired from doing nothing because it wasn't a busy weekend for me. I just slept, relaxed. Nevertheless, woke up tired on Monday. Okay, have you ever been tired just from resting? Weird, right? Okay, so that was the time I was on Monday. Okay, so I take my morning tea, I add the collagen, scoop of collagen in my morning tea. I didn't feel anything right away that I noticed, right? Okay, so I'm getting ready for work. Baby, by the time I get to work, something just came over me, right? I just got a burst of energy from where I have no clue. I'm usually sitting at my desk most of the day, but on this day, I felt the urge to move around. So I started organizing files, packing boxes for retention, and swinging them around like they were paper. So needless to say, I felt good. I felt like getting that particular duty done. And my team was like, okay, she's feeling good. What's going on? It felt good. I just felt good all throughout that day. Monday was good. Tuesday, Wednesday were good. But then, for whatever reason, towards the end of the day, Wednesday, I started to feel tired. And I think it was because it's programming, right? My body it automatically feels tired at a certain time at work when it's towards the end of the day, time to go home. So it's like, dragging, right? Well, the next morning, which is today, Thursday morning, I woke up feeling kind of tired. I had my collagen. Then it started picking up, right? Then towards the end of the day today, I felt, I'm tired again, because that's what I do. That's how I feel. So I'm thinking it's programming. So y'all, I had this thought on the way home, almost to my house. You should go walking. And I'm like, okay, no, it's just a thought. But then I got an urge. I felt like going walking. So when you feel the urge, it ain't no sense in ignoring it. So I actually just came back from walking. I am so surprised at myself. So surprised. I feel so rejuvenated, and I'm glad I listened to that thought. Because you know what, to be honest with you, every so often I'll have that thought, but then it will not happen because either I'm tired, I'm feeling sluggish, or I'm exhausted from work. But I felt like going walking today, and that has not happened in a very, very long time. And I am so glad that it did. Also, I actually wanted to show the total of steps I did today. Voila. 10,055 steps. I'm walking, and I have not hit that in so long, guys. 3.8 miles. So I wanted to hop on here to give y'all my testimonial on my personal testimony on taking this collagen. So far, so good. I'm gonna stick with it for sure. I have health goals, I have weight loss goals or weight release goals, and I feel like this is going to help me accomplish those goals and take me to the finish line. So, beauties, what about, like, have you tried collagen? How did it make you feel? Did it give you energy? Because I know that it does say that it nourishes your body from the inside out. It promotes healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy nails, while helping you maintain joint and bone strength. And I'm sitting on the floor today. That does not happen, guys. Beauties, that does not happen. I am on the floor. I said I'm going to record my video on the floor because I'm doing some stretches and stuff, just coming back from my walk outside. But I'm feeling good. I have not felt like this in a long time. So I highly recommend getting some collagen if you haven't already. It's changing my life. It's changing my life. So, anyway, that's all for this video. I will be checking in really soon. Probably maybe give a maybe 2-week update or a 1-month update. What do you guys think? Depending on how I feel. If I feel as good as I did today, I might give you another week update. I don't know, but probably within a week's time. But anyway. So please make sure you like this video, subscribe, share if you care, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Can you feel it?